Hi guys, Lex Levinrad over here, and I'm standing in front of a new fix and flip. I just picked up this house, and it was actually listed on hubzoo.com. I picked up this house for $110,000, and I'm looking to fix it up, put about $20,000 into it, and sell it for around $170,000. So let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. All right, so here we are now in the inside of this house. It's a typical 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. We're located in a town called Port St. Lucie in Florida. And as I said, this house I just purchased a few days ago for $110,000, and I'm going to spend around $20,000 fixing it up, and I'm looking to sell it for around $170,000. And this house needs everything. In other words, the drywall needs to be repaired, all the walls need to be painted, all the flooring needs to be redone, and in addition to that, I'm going to put in a brand new kitchen, right? Because that kitchen is really, really not nice. And I'm going to open up this kitchen over here so that there'll be a nice granite countertop over there, and you'll be able to see the kitchen and the stainless steel appliances a little bit better. So all in on this property, the spread between the purchase and the sale, $110,000 to $170,000, would be about $60,000. I'm going to spend about $20,000 of that in repairs. I figure as much as $10,000 in points and fees and interest and closing costs and everything else, commissions. At the end of the day, I should net around $30,000 on this, right? So it's not difficult to do. People say, hey, Lex, how do you find houses like this? Well, this one was on hubzoo.com, so they're out there. If you want to learn how to fix and flip houses like this, make sure you come to my Fix and Flip Houses boot camp. I got one coming up, and if you want to learn more, go ahead and put your info below.